I see your love in every scar, in every dream that brought me far. You gave your all, asked nothing back. You were my light when life turned black. Dear Mom, if I could write the sky, I'd spell your name so stars could fly. Every heartbeat, every song carries your love my whole life long. The nights you stayed awake for me, the silent prayers nobody could see. I may grow up and walk my way, but your love lives in me every day. No treasure shines as bright as you, my first best friend, my hero too. Dear Mom, this song is just to say I love you more than words can say.